Good morning, children. Children, smile. Smile and learn something new. Today we will learn about the letter V. Capital V, small v, uppercase V, lowercase v. Children, the sound of letter V is V. V, V, V. Very good. Now it's the story time. Now listen carefully. It's very interesting. Viola lives with her parents in a valley. She can play violin. Her voice is very sweet. Her father has a violet van. He drives very well. Her mother grows vegetables in the garden. Look at the fresh vegetables. One day, Viola sees smoke in the sky. Oh, what is that smoke, Papa? Viola asks. Vero, the volcano is angry again, says her father. Look, it seems very angry. Really, he is very angry. Play the violin, Viola, her mother tells her. The song will put Vero to sleep. So, Viola plays the violin and puts Vero to sleep. Look, the volcano is sleeping now. The smoke goes away. Yes, Viola is very happy. Now she can play outside in the beautiful valley. Very good. Now let's read the vocabulary words related to V. Okay? Now get ready. Viola. 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 Valley. 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 Violin. 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 Van. 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 Vegetables. Fresh vegetables. Volcano. 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 Very good. So children, you will also revise these vocabulary words at your home. Bye bye. Bye bye.